I see stripes of black,
and I
white
can't breathe.
background too. Fair warning to me and to you. Here it is. It's knocked it down and they're away. I mean, you've only got to look at the map and see how nice the road is. So it's worth putting up with that through Longridge to get onto this.
Yeah.
Drain on the inside.
Lovely road.
I might put the 360 on for a bit of this.
And why not?
Look at that, straight away. Bingo.
More transfers for you, Steve?
Yeah. Yeah, you didn't want to go to bed early, did you, Steve? Oh, that's nice.
Isn't it?
You all right back there, Joe? Excremente. Look at the hills.
Beautiful.
Here at Todger's Tours, we aim to please.
Beautiful.
Yeah, book a Todgy's tour now and get a 6-month free Dynarod Premium.
I keep catching up with you on the bends, Nick, because you've got engine braking and I haven't.
Yeah.
I'll back off the same time as you do. It's just that you slow down quicker, I think. Do I hit the brakes a little bit, or do I just rely on you to open it up again in a minute? Lovely, lovely road, mate.
Nice lefty. Aye, aye. Bit of roadkill on your line. Yep. The magpies are chomping away on that. Ah, we wanted to go right there.
Fucking.
I was so busy looking at the fucking corner. Yeah.
At least we get to go over this lovely little bridge, and then we can turn around. That'll do.
I don't know. It's gravel. It's somewhere up here. There's a bit of there you go, junction here. Yeah, I was so worried about not hitting the roadkill on the fucking bend. Car coming, but you'll make it.
I'm not being funny, Nigel. If you'd taken a turn and you wouldn't have been anywhere near the roadkill.
That's right.
Look at that for a view, though, eh?
Beautiful.
Beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, you wouldn't have seen that. Right, left turn here. Pay attention, 00. Yeah,
we're here.
Thank you, Joe.
Right, that's one missed turn. Lorry coming. Tanker. Oh, smell that.
Oh, it's
Lovely.
beautiful, isn't it?
Liquid shit.
Lovely and sweet.
Beautiful. I honestly don't know why people don't like that smell.
No.
Right, there's a left turn up here in a minute.
Are you going to take it?
I reckon.
Car.
Yeah, I suppose it's the country air is a bit like us in the city, not like an that damp, dust, horrible bloody smell, isn't it? You get the cities.
See, the thing is, when you're on a spanky road, watching the fucking bends and watching the map and...
Looking at roadkill.
Yeah. Isn't that lovely?
If we find somewhere suitable, I might have to stop and have a piss.
How old are you, Nick?
Travelling with fucking old people.
If we're going to stop, I might clean my windscreen because it's
Geriatric tours.
Yeah.
filthy. You'd think you'd be alright, Nick, the amount of times we stopped for faffage.
I know.
Are you at bursting stage yet?
We're getting there.
Are you getting bladder? Are you getting bladder twinges? There was this junction. We got no fucking white lines and shit. What about here? Anywhere to piss here?
It's alright, we'll find. Yeah, we'll find somewhere, there's no panic.
I ain't panicking. I'm not the one person for a piss.
Yeah.
Left turn, left turn, left turn. The bin man did his normal on that fucker there. He went straight on and we all fucking turned off because he wanted to play on the roads.
Yeah.
Like at me. Over at Browen, left turn over the bridge. Pothole.
Pothole on the bridge.
Cool, that's nice. Very
nice,
nice. Do you want to stop here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, I'll pull up front on this shit. Oh, you bastard. Mind that
Are you
lip.
backing in at the angle, Nick, or are you staying there?
I'll stay here.
Okay. I just want to leave enough room for Joe. You getting impatient, do you think? I take it he's ready.
Fucking Nat Bladder Brigade.
I know.
Have you emptied your catheter bags?
I have.
Alright. Anusol cream on?
Yeah.
Lovely.
Oh, I knew I forgot something this morning. I'll have to double dose tonight, I think. Oh yeah.
Joe, have you done your microphones?
Just done it. Just getting back on the bike. I haven't done my cameras yet, but
1, 2.
I have to wait. So mind your language now.
Oh, shit! Oh, Jesus.
Alright.
49 minutes the cameras have been running.
Yeah.
Oh,
Is it
I nearly fucking
worth
lost
doing
it
them
again.
now? Is it worth doing the batteries now and then we can go for another hour and a quarter?
What? Now I've just fucking switched everything back on.
So have I.
Alright,
I just
well,
nearly dropped the bike
50 minutes. I mean, we're going to have to change them in 20 minutes then, 20, 25.
Yeah, fuck it, let's change them.
Yeah.
What now?
Yeah.
Oh, might as well, haven't we?
I'm just going to get out of this position
fuck
here
it.
because right in the middle of that bend.
Yeah.
Let's find somewhere better, shall we? Because we are right.
Alright, yeah, no,
You
it's
do
alright.
it.
Oh, it's just me in the bend, that's all. No, you're alright.
Alright, let me move forward a bit.
Yeah, he's getting all impatient, wasn't he? Revving his bloody ditch
Yeah.
pump. And then we're all ready to go. Oh, hang on, we've changed batteries.
Let's do a battery change. So I switch my bike off, get off, and he says, well, should we not bother?
Yeah.
It's like, no, I've turned the fucking bike off now.
Yeah.
He just wants your CarPlay to go back on the Bowland Action again.
It just did, yeah.
But now I've got to try and stand the bike up straight once I'm on it.
Wow, that's your own bloody fault, isn't it?
Well, that's why I said, should we do it in a minute on the flat?
Nick, can you do that with your hand on the back camera?
God,
Yeah.
Thank you. Anybody else wants to go in front? Go,
ready?
go on.
Yeah.
I'm
Okay.
better in the back 'cause I'm slower.
Ah.
Oh, mind that bend.
Nasty, nasty scum to the left.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's horrible, isn't it? Ah.
Oh, big pothole in the middle.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a deep
Yeah.
one. Fucking hell, these roads are in a state, aren't they?
They are.
Terrible, aren't they?
God,
Is this a road or a fucking bridleway?
I was going to say, look at it. Fucking, oh, you bastard. 6th gear.
6?
Still in 6th.
My judgment, that'll pull up the hill in 6 from 0, won't it?
I don't think 6 is the best gear for that corner, Nige.
No.
I'd knock it down at least one. I love this sort of road.
Great, isn't it?
Yeah.
Beats the hell out of motorways any day of the week.
So at least roads like this keeps you away from the rat race
Oh,
Yeah.
does that.
and the rat disease. There you go, look at that. Oh, I say,
Oh,
Stunning view.
you didn't want to stay in the fucking field then? I don't think I'm going to argue with that.
no.
Hello, my lovely.
Do you reckon they're supposed to be out?
Probably not, no.
No, they probably just got bored of that massive 20-acre field.
Yeah, the tarmac looked much more appealing.
Oh, exactly, yeah.
Don't fucking give me the eyeball, you.
You leave her alone now, stop being a bully.
I wonder where they've got out from though.
Well, there's some more in the field over there.
Yeah,
Don't
but it
take
makes
much
you
from
wonder
the-
how they
jump
got
the
out.
hedge. They just jump the hedge, don't they? Jump the fence.
That one's barking at me.
Quite agile for big animals, aren't they?
Yeah. Oh fuck me, it's a stampede.
He's off-roading.
Don't you fall over, you fucking silly cows. Alright, stay there. Oh look, they're going in there now. Oh, that's why they're not even fucking restricted in there.
Fenced in, no.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Nothing roller coaster of a hill. You can feel your stress just disappearing, can't you?
Yeah.
Till we start transferring files later.
I don't know how you guys can hear my camera going off, because I can only just hear it.
I can't hear it.
Yeah, but
Didn't
it's
hear it that time, but-
It's near your microphone, isn't it?
Sheep, 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 sheep.
There's a sheep on the loose.
The
He
guard
looks
sheep.
like a butter. He's getting out
Definitely
a
looks
little
like a
bit.
butter.
Let me in the fucking gate.
Get in there, you little bastard. Straight in the oven.
They're not the brightest, are they?
No.
Nah.
What's she trying
See
to
Trouble
do?
is they-
that
they-
driver.
They fucking butt, don't they?
Yeah. Go on then.
Car coming like a twat. Fucking arsehole, slow down.
He did. He must have heard you.
You saw the Genalis coming over the hill.
Blinded by the lights.
Is that the Chinese coming over the hill? Oh, it's a monster.
Oh, it's a fucking monster. Sheep, sheep, sheep,
Oh,
sheep.
lambs.
Is it a ditch pump?
Oh, little
Is
lamb.
it a ditch pump?
They're not very good at keeping their livestock in round here, are they?
No.
No.
Free range.